This is how it becomes in Saudi Arabia. I'm not sure about, I think other cities as well, but in Madinatul Munawwara, because they don't have the proper drainage system, this is how it becomes, you see. So yeah, when there's heavy rains, as there is now, and lightning, I'm not sure if you just saw that, lightning and thunder, then this is how it ends up becoming, because they don't have a drainage system. And then just wait for it, and then you get al-Masjid al-Nabawi al-Sharif, the mosque, the Prophet's mosque, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Abdullah al-Jarrah's car in the car park of Masjid al-Nabawi, and we take the elevator. Oh yeah, he just parks his car there. You have to be very careful, it's going to be quite slippery. This is the underground car park of Masjid al-Nabawi, for those that haven't seen it. And this particular car park that I park in is the least busy. But to be fair, Salah finished a while back.